Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for using a Revolut multi-currency account. A Revolut multi-currency account is a digital banking solution that allows you to hold and manage multiple currencies in one account. This account type is ideal for travelers, expats, and individuals who frequently make international transactions. To get started with a Revolut multi-currency account, you first need to download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. The process is straightforward and requires basic personal and identification information. Once your account is set up, you can add funds to it using a debit or credit card, or by transferring money from another bank account. One of the key benefits of a Revolut multi-currency account is the ability to hold and exchange multiple currencies at competitive exchange rates. You can exchange currencies within the app, and the funds will be available in your account instantly. For example, if you are traveling to Europe, you can exchange your money to euros within the app and use your Revolut card to make purchases. Another benefit of a Revolut multi-currency account is the ability to make fee-free transactions abroad. Unlike traditional banks, Revolut does not charge foreign transaction fees, which can save you a significant amount of money on international transactions. Additionally, you can use your Revolut card to withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide, with no fees for up to a certain amount per month. To make the most of your Revolut multi-currency account, it is essential to understand the different types of accounts and cards available. Revolut offers a range of accounts, including a standard account, a premium account, and a metal account, each with its own set of features and benefits. The premium and metal accounts offer additional benefits, such as travel insurance, airport lounge access, and a higher ATM withdrawal limit. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to keep your account and card information up to date and secure. You should also regularly review your account activity to ensure that there are no unauthorized transactions. Additionally, you should be aware of the exchange rates and fees associated with certain transactions, and plan your finances accordingly. In conclusion, a Revolut multi-currency account is a convenient and cost-effective solution for managing multiple currencies and making international transactions. By following the tips outlined in this guide, you can make the most of your account and enjoy a hassle-free banking experience. Remember to always keep your account information secure, and regularly review your account activity to ensure that you are getting the best value from your account.